These armored transports deliver the first shipment of pure cotton fiber to the fortified industrial complex. The massive conveyor belt transports the raw cotton bales deep into the industrial shredders, where heavy rotors tear the fibers apart. The brilliant iridescent thread, with its embedded micro-optics, is unspooled directly into the cotton substrate. Blasted by superheated air, the wet cotton fibers interlock, creating the signature texture and revealing the embedded security watermarks. Kilometers of pure cotton fiber are transformed into the secure, watermark-embedded paper used for our currency. The counted pallet is tightly wrapped in protective shrink film. These uncut cotton sheets are now ready for the printing presses. In stunning slow motion, the etched aluminum plate is drawn by magnetic force, flexing gracefully. The Simultan press applies vibrant, liquid offset ink simultaneously to both sides of the uncut banknote sheet, utilizing pure cotton fiber paper for durability. The mesmerizing precision of the multi-tower offset presses. Diving through the flawless stainless steel gears, we see the uncut sheets of 20 dinar notes propelled forward. The robotic forklift transports the uncut sheets of the new 20 dinar notes into the secure, humidity-controlled curing room. Here we see the doctor blade wiping the surface clean, leaving ink only in the precise engravings. Highlighting the unbelievable structural depth of the printed portrait. The extremely dense and thick Intaglio ink casts tiny physical shadows across its own raised tactile texture. The Intaglio process applies thick, tactile ink, creating the raised numeral 20 seen here on the uncut sheet. The high-resolution topographical scan confirms the Intaglio ink reaches perfect micron levels across the entire sheet. Captured in extreme macro detail, the restored intaglio plate reveals the precision of the engraving. It is now ready for the secure printing process.
Once cleaned, the high-precision intaglio plates are secured in the vault. This ensures the integrity of the engraving matrix.
In the finishing area, iridescent optical foil is rapidly unwound and precisely aligned with the uncut banknote sheets. Here in the hologram finishing area, the hot stamping press fuses iridescent optical foil onto the 20 kWd banknotes, creating a vital security element. The excess carrier web is rapidly peeled away, revealing the stunning iridescent security stripe now permanently bonded to the substrate. A high frame rate shot captures the precise moment the magnetic ink transfers to the cotton substrate. The uncut sheets speed through the inspection zone, heading for the numbering drums of the typographic printing unit. In the heart of the facility, 50-note sheets of the 20 kWd are inspected. The iridescent optical finish on the holographic stripes is a key security feature. A smooth dolly shot tracks the freshly cured 20 kWd sheets. The durable cotton fiber paper is meticulously scanned before reaching the cutting zone. The distinct scent of fresh currency is quickly captured by the activated carbon filtration system, ensuring a clean, clinical environment in the inspection zone. Precision is paramount. These high-grade steel clamps ensure the 50-note sheets are perfectly aligned before the guillotine cut. Here in the inspection zone, the BPS analyzes 50 security parameters, ensuring the perfect alignment of the holographic foil and the integrity of the Intaglio ink depth. The crisp 20 dinar banknotes, crafted from pure cotton fiber, flow rapidly through the automated inspection zone before the massive titanium vault door, engineered for maximum security, seals with absolute precision. Utilizing advanced aluminum alloy pallets, the automated guided vehicles transport sealed banknote bins to the endless storage racks. Laser-guided precision allows the AGV to navigate the high-security vault, storing millions of kWd deep underground. The colossal titanium vault door seals the newly printed currency. Its high-grade stainless steel